Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable command line on Windows 10 Task Manager. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable command line on Task Manager in Windows 10 computer, right click on Taskbar and click on Task Manager, and here in Detail tab, look, no command line is available, and click on Startup. Here also there is no command line is available. Now right click on Name column and click on command line. Look, here command line is available now. Go to Details tab, right click on Name column, click on Select columns, scroll down, and now select command line and click on OK. And look, here also command line is available. This is the easiest way to enable command line on Task Manager in Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.